This is a unique talk show that talks about controversies, lifestyle, issues in and out of the country. This is Let's Talk.
Good day everyone! Panibagong episode na naman po, panibagong linggo dito po sa talk show that talks about controversies, lifestyle, issues in and out of the country. Ako po si Derek, this is Let's Talk. Mga kaibigan, itong linggo na to, isang makulay at isang magandang balitaktakan po ang mangyayari sa atin dito sa Let's Talk. Dahil nga po, ang ating pong bisita sa linggong ito ay kumbaga naging controversial siya way back 2 years ago. At ngayon nga po ay isang karangalan, and I'm so happy and I'm so glad na makakasama natin finally dito sa Let's Talk. Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk to former Congressman Ronald Singson. Congressman, good day.
Good day, Derek. Maraming salamat sa pag-imbita sa akin dito sa Let's Talk, and I'm very excited. I'm very proud to be and very honored to be invited here. And na-miss ko na rin kayo, so magandang nangyari rito.
Kaya nga ako'y excited din at napaunlakan mo ang aming imbitasyon. Ngayon, kumusta ka na? Kumusta ang buhay-buhay natin?
I'm very good. I'm doing very well now. I'm really focused with work. I have to admit, the first few months that when I got out, it was tough for me. Medyo nahirapan ako mag-adjust dahil siguro sa trauma na nangyari. It had to take time for me to adjust. Siyempre kasi yung nangyari sa akin sa Hong Kong, I was in for like 10 months. So the period of adjustment then, parang nag-a-adjust pa lang ako into the environment there. Tapos 10 months was up, then I got out, and then kailangan mo mag-adjust. So at first I had a hard time.
That's
really.
true.
But with the help of family and friends and a lot of prayer, thankfully, maganda na yung sitwasyon.
Especially mga kababayan mo dito, especially all the Ilocanos. Pero ito Kong, you talk about yung nangyari sa Hong Kong. Let's talk about yung nangyari sa Hong Kong, ha? So, after what happened ngayon sa adjustment, nung paglabas mo sa jail, ano yung una mong ginawa?
Una sa lahat, siyempre, pasalamat sa Diyos. Kasi habang nandun ako noon, I cannot deny, napalapit talaga ako sa Diyos dahil nga siguro wala na akong ibang mapagkakapitan kundi sa panalangin na lang. So, dahil doon, at first nga nung nandun pa ako, nung mga unang mga araw, unang mga linggo, parang gusto ko pa siyang pagbintangan pero hindi mapapwede dahil alam kong kasalanan ko naman. So pinagpatuloy ko pa rin na manalangin, and I still kept my faith, and fortunately He pulled me through.
Yeah. During nasa jail ka, Kong, ano yung mga ginagawa mo that time? Aside, sabi mo nga, you start reading the Bible, ano yung pinagagawa mo usually?
Well, the life in jail is very routine. Yun yung pinakamahirap sa lahat. Yung kung anong gagawin mo sa isang araw, yung gagawin mo araw-araw. We wake up at 6:30, and then shower na yun, and then by 7:30, breakfast na kayo, and then by 9, nasa workstations na kayo. May designated work kasi.
Ano yung designated work sa'yo nun?
Tinala ako sa tailoring, sa tahian ng bed sheets.
So marunong ka manahin na ngayon?
No.
And then after that,
ang get ng routine, by 9, nasa workstation na kayo. Then 11:30, you're up in the dining hall again for lunch. Lunch break until 2. And then from 2 p.m. to 5, trabaho ulit sa workstations. And then from 5 to 7, dining hall, or exercise muna every other day. Ang exercise doon, may basketball court, may open court, yun lang. Tapos dinner by 7, 7:30, dinner ng 6:30 or 7, by 8 o'clock, nasa selde na ulit kayo. Pero yung sa amin, I was very fortunate dahil sa Hong Kong, I was put in a sabihin mo ng pinaka-minimum security facility.
okay, good.
Ibig sabihin nun, doon dinadala yung mga nagkasala na mga light crimes lang, yung mga pagnanakaw sa corporate crimes, yung ganon, pagnanakaw sa kumpanya, mga petty crimes lang. So, we didn't really have cells. Hindi celda yung
Hindi
tinitira
talaga
namin.
yung may ganon.
We had dormitories.
Oo.
And, swerte rin ako, yung dormitories namin was for 40, siguro mga 18 people lang kami inside. So, isa kami double
Hindi
deck.
fully booked.
Hindi fully booked.
Okay,
Unlike other Asian countries, like dito sa Pilipinas, alam natin na napaka-crowded ng mga
Zelda.
jail facilities natin dito.
Hirap.
So, doon, swerte na rin ako dahil first world country ang Hong Kong. Very strict sila on human rights. So, we were treated very well. We were treated we were provided for very well. Limited lang nga yung communication sa pamilya, no? But there are certain rules. Pero at least decent yung pagkain, decent yung tulugan.
Yeah.
We had hot water.
Decent na pagkain. Ano yung mga, kagaya sa'yo, you're a Filipino, so they also have to let you eat Filipino foods or yung food talaga nila?
Kung ano yung food ng isa, ganun lahat. Meron lang choice between Western and Chinese food.
Were you allowed to?
Tatlo pala. May Western food, may Chinese food, tsaka may Indian food.
Indian food?
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
but were you allowed to watch TV, mga ganon?
TV meron lang sa dining hall. Sa dining hall lang.
Specific time lang.
So tuwing magla-lunch lang kami or tuwing magdi-dinner.
Talking about the discipline ng mga Chinese, how do you feel about it?
Well, they're very strict with rules. You know, the Chinese government is very efficient and very strict. So, like I said, since the first world country ang Hong Kong, talagang sinusunod nila to the letter yung batas nila. And may proper feedback system or they're big on human rights. So they're very careful about abusing the prisoners kasi pwede magreklamo. Every month may dumadaan doon na tinatawag nilang Justice of the Peace. Ipapasyal doon, tatanong yung mga kung if you're treated well or may mga violations ba.
Mas maganda.
May mga human rights violations. Kung meron, pwede mong i-air sa kanila and they will act on it right away.
So, pwede bang mangyari yan dito sa yung judicial system ng Hong Kong? Pwede ba nating ma-i-apply dito sa Pilipinas?
I hope maging ganun, kasi alam nating lahat, yung judicial system dito sa Pilipinas, unfortunately, is very slow. Dun sa Hong Kong, napakabilis ng mga scheduling ng kaso and nare-resolve kagad yung kaso. Either nadidesisyon ng kagad or nare-resolve. Unlike here in the Philippines, meron akong personal hindi naman experience, but I know of someone that is in jail now, caught for drugs also. Ang problema, bail hearing niya pa lang, nakakadalawang taon na siya dun sa kulungan. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa na-hear or dadala sa korte yung application niya for bail. So, bail pa lang yun, ha? So, wala pang conviction. Wala pa yung conviction. So, nakakaawa rin yung mga tao.
Pero ikaw,
being someone who experienced, getting into the bad side of the law, parang hindi na tama yung 2 taon na nakakulong. Wala ka pang decision dun sa bail hearing mo, wala ka pang conviction. And I'm sure mas madami pang ibang kaso dyan na mas matagal pa. And I'm sure it's very frustrating for the people.
Sana magawa natin ng paraan talaga yan ng ating bansa. Pero Kong, sabi nga nila, jail can test a man's soul for the better or for the bitter. Ikaw, ano ka doon? Better or bitter?
Well, put it this way. Katulad ng sabi mo, when I got out, there are only 2 things that can happen after I got out. It's either I use that, sabi kong sira na yung buhay ko, wala na akong pakialam, tuloy na masira ang buhay ko, or nangyari sa akin yun, I make use of it to make myself a better person. So the choice between